Hello and welcome to the Johns Hopkins University Open Source Programs Office Explainer Series, a collection of bite-sized videos tackling a variety of open source essentials. New topics are added regularly. Check out ospo.library.jhu.edu to see what's coming up, or drop us a line at ospo@jhu.edu to make a request. Today's explainer, contributing files. A contributing file in your open source repository provides potential project contributors with a short guide to how they can help with your project. Think of your contributing file as an anchor for your project around which you will build community. It complements other all-caps resources like your README and your license. The OSPO has explainers for those file types too. The contributing file is primarily useful for project contributors, users who want to know items they're welcome to tackle, and how to reach out to the owners. A contributing file can also help project owners organize their policies around contributing. Before starting to write, connect with your project's core contributors to discuss what types of contributions you'd like to invite. Bug fixes, new features, non-code contributions like docs or graphic designs. You might also decide that you don't want to accept outside contributions. It's still useful to have a contributing file. Just use it to note that you're not seeking contributors. What should go into my contributing file? First, welcome contributors to the project. Next, add links to important resources like your docs, issue or bug tracker, and regular communication platforms like a forum link, developer email, or web form. You can describe how to test the project and where the tests are located in your directories. Let users know how and where to report bugs. You can link to a bug report template like the one linked here, which contributors can copy and add context to. This will keep your bugs tidy and relevant. If you want users to fix bugs and not just report them, consider labeling some bugs as good first issues and directing users to them. Outline your pull request protocol, including what kind of a response a user will get back from the team on submission, and any caveats about the speed of response. Include a link or overview of your project's style guide or coding conventions, a document of standards and conventions that dictate how software code should be formatted, structured, and written to ensure consistency. Let users know how and where to request enhancements. List the core contributors and their preferred methods of contact, or link to a humans.txt file in your root directory. Let users know where they can ask for help, with links to good communication channels for anyone with questions. If the project has standing meetings or calls where new contributors would be welcome, include information about when they occur and how to attend. If your contributing.md file ended up long, consider including a table of contents with links to different headings in your document. Feeling overwhelmed? Focus on your contributors. There's no right way to make a contributing file, and examples that you can find vary considerably, unlike many other standard project files such as licenses or citations. The most important thing to keep in mind is that someone reading your contributing file wants to contribute to your project but doesn't know how. Make sure they find the information they need to make those first connections. Some contributing examples and templates include Ruby on Rails, Open Government, and Nadia Asparuhova's contributing template. Once your document is done, it is convention to capitalize the word contributing as the file title and save it as a resource in Markdown in your root directory. Not familiar with Markdown formatting? There's a great how-to guide in the GitHub documentation. Most of the content in this explainer is adapted from the Mozilla Science Lab's publication, How to Build a Contributing.md, which is licensed CC BY. Have any questions about what you've just learned? Ask the JHU Open Source Programs Office for more information. You can reach out to us online at ospo.library.jhu.edu or send an email to ospo@jhu.edu.